Hi, so this is the rest of the AI dish powered recommendation. So we're gonna start off by making a dietary restriction. In this case, we can put something down like dairy, add that, and then add one of our food preferences. Like for me, I tend to like food that it's pretty spicy, so I set that. And we saw from last week that you just type in a prompt here and the AI will read it. So I'm just going to do that again. Um, so like I can write like I'm craving something with chicken and then put that through the recommendation. It does take a second. Once it's received, you can see that it recommended the spicy chicken stir fry. Um, and it gives the explanation as to why it recommended that dish. So it basically explains its logic there. And then you're also now able to leave a review on the AI. So basically, like in this case, I say it's a pretty good review. I give it 5 out of 5 stars and I write a description as to why I think it was a good rating. So in this case, it was just exactly what I wanted. You submit the rating. It takes a second and it goes through. Now if we go to inspect, we can see exactly how the AI recommendation works, how it takes in all the data and the prompt, and then it comes up with the recommendation, and I have all of that shown there. You're also able to regenerate if you don't like the first recommendation. It just regenerates something else using the same exact input and like prompt. So it still took in my spicy preference and then my current mood for chicken. We also have a view restaurants with this item button, and then it just gives recommendations of places that might have that kind of recommendation. And then if we go back into the applications here, we can see that it excluded the previous recommendation to make room for the new recommendation after we regenerated. Yeah. And then it still took in like the likes, prompts, and restrictions. Yeah. And then it also takes in like the save location from the restaurant search or the settings if you have it toggled on. And yeah, that's basically everything. This is going to be the demo for week 1 of user profile. Um, so basically, we're just gonna have like user sign in, right? And then we're gonna go to user profile. It's gonna load in the data from the database that I have right here for my profile. So basically, here you just have like the current profile information, including like username, the name that was linked to the account, um, avatar, like profile picture, and then an edit profile button. So when the user clicks edit profile, they're able to view their current username and then their changed username. So let's just say like I want to change my name to like that spelling of like Deanna. I can save that and it'll update right here in the database, as well as if I want to change my photo associated to my account, I can do that as well. I'll just click like any other photo that I have right here. I'll click this one, right? And it'll take a second and then it'll get updated into the database over here. And then when I sign out and sign back in, that information will be like readily available again for like me to view because it's all saved to the database.